What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna tear into the wrecked 2013 Honda CBR500R that I bought from the Copart salvage auction. In the last video I went through a full inspection, and today we're picking up where we left. Today we're gonna be changing the oil, installing the new Killswitch, but before all that I'm going to remove all the fairings, all the plastics, all the parts that I can remove off the motorcycle so I can get a better look at it. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so before we even try to start the bike, we need to change the oil just for my peace of mind, so I don't run the bike that sat for a while on a dirty oil. So what I got here is a Honda GN4 10W30 and a K&N filter. This combination cost about 45 bucks on Amazon. So let's go ahead and drain the oil, remove the filter, and install the new stuff on the bike. The oil looks actually really clean. Okay, and the new filter goes right in. Now we can make it hand tight as much as possible by hand. I'm gonna grab a napkin so I can have good grip on it. Great. Okay, now there's the new oil. The motorcycle takes 3 quarts exactly. This jug is 1 gallon, so it's 4 quarts. So we're gonna put 3 quarts in and leave it at that. Alright, so now that we have all the fairings removed and we have the oil changed, we got a bunch of parts in the mail, and it's been a week or so. But here I got the kill switch and the new handlebar and the new brake master cylinder. But before I replace those, hopefully the kill switch is the issue, I want to show you what happens. So if I turn the bike on, okay, the headlights, I'm gonna turn the headlights off first. Oh, the headlights are off. Okay, so let me show you. So if you turn the key on, nothing happens. The fuel pump does not prime, and when you hit the kill switch, it's just nothing happens. So hopefully, I am really hopeful that the kill switch is the issue. And now let's get to replace it, and hopefully the bike starts. Okay, so these are the parts that I'm going to be installing today. This is the handlebar, this is the OEM Honda part number, and this is the kill switch. This is the OEM part number. So with that being said, I'm going to get to installing these. There it is, out with the old and in with the brand new. Look at that nice shiny part. Oh yeah, let's finish this. All right, and finally everything is back together, and check that out, how clean that looks. Brand new handlebar, brand new kill switch, brand new master cylinder, old throttle, but it looks good and everything's good to go. There's all the junk parts, and now it's the moment of truth. Now we're gonna flip the key and hopefully it starts, and if it does, man oh man, did we score a good deal. So I'm gonna get that out of the way, flip the key. Uh-oh, what is that, hazard? Oh, we got hazard now. Okay, hazard's off, neutral is on, I think kill switch is on. Let's see. I hear the fuel pump priming. Okay, now let's give it a shot. Yes, there we go. And it sounds so good. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna kill it. Did you hear that? That was amazing. And it fired right up so quickly. Let's try that again. Fuel pump priming. Wow. It works wonderful. Alright guys, as you heard, the bike fires right up and it sounds really good. So that is amazing. I think we scored a good deal on this bike. Now that it starts, it has a bunch of new parts, new kickstand, new Killswitch, master cylinder, handlebar, and as you can see, some body parts. And in the next episode, we're gonna repaint all the fairings and we're gonna put it back together. We're gonna finish it in the next episode. That's gonna be it. We are mechanically 100% complete on the bike. I checked the chain, it's in good shape, and the chain slack is good. I checked the tire pressures and everything's good to go. I think we are done mechanically. This thing is ready to ride as it is right now. So that is amazing. I'm very excited. In the next episode, we're gonna repaint the fairings and put it back together and call it done. It's a very good deal. With that being said, I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Why not? And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.